Flower nurseries bring me the purest joy. Visiting them feels like discovering the little happiness in my life. I love buying colorful seasonal flowers and small vegetable pots like mint, capsicum, and tomatoes. Watering the plants, trimming the leaves, digging the soil, and talking to them is my most adorable hobby. My ducks and ducklings also find their happiness in the garden. After a refreshing swim in our old fashioned brick pond surrounded by pastel green herbs and shrubs, they relax in the flower beds. As they shake their shiny, clean feathers, tiny droplets fall like dew on the petal, making my colorful flowers dance with joy. In this peaceful corner of my home, nature smiles, and so do I.